DAX offers you two functions to compute the confidence interval for a mean over a population. They are confidence norm and confidence t. Confidence norm uses a normal distribution, whereas confidence t uses a student t distribution. You need to provide to confidence three arguments, which are alpha to specify the confidence level, the standard deviation, and the size of the sample. In order to provide the confidence level, you provide the alpha argument, and there is a relationship between the confidence level and the alpha argument. If you specify 0.05, that means 95% confidence level. Indeed, the confidence level is 100 times 1 minus alpha as a percentage. Let's see that with an example. I create here a sample table containing several numbers, and then I compute both the mean and the standard deviation. The size of the sample is just the number of rows in the sample, and the alpha that I'm using is 0.05. That means I'm interested in 95% of confidence level. And the report is computing the average, the standard deviation, then the confidence, both using a normal distribution and a student t distribution, with the confidence level, the given standard deviation, and the sample size.